Janet Jones. I'm Managing Director, a geologist by profession, and we established Jones Environmental seven and a half years ago. In simple terms, samples are sent to us from around the world by consultants for a varying analyses depending on the sites they come from. We then report back levels of contamination to the clients, so they can either develop the site or clean the site up or discharge waters. The range of clients we have covers everything from oil companies, petroleum companies, waste management companies, local authorities. The main reason most of our clients come to us and stay with us is because we're very flexible in what they want. What we find is our competitors have a limited range of analyses. People come to us and it's a case of we'll have a look, we'll see if we can do it, we'll be innovative, whether the methods or developing methods for them. The Welsh Government has always been very supportive since the day we started out, with good grants to help us get the business running, particularly on the innovation side, where they've actually fully understood what we're trying to do and why. So when we put our applications in, they get the support that they require. A lot of our equipment is very, very expensive, and what we find is for the more innovative analyses, we want equipment that we probably can't justify affording at the time. So any grants we've received have meant that we've been able to buy that equipment and therefore deliver the new methods and analyses to our clients. We'll carry on looking to the Welsh Government for more equipment, more state-of-the-art equipment to help us keep moving forward. The innovation is very important to Jones Environmental because it keeps us one step ahead of the competition. One of the biggest projects in the UK in the last few years has been for the Olympics, because the Olympic site was on a brownfield site, very contaminated. So again, consultants came to us to ask us how we could help them. So again, with a lot of innovation and new methodologies, we were able to sort of look for the contaminants they were looking for on the Olympic site. At the moment, about 40% of our work comes from outside the UK, 10% from Africa, 10% Middle East, 10% Europe, and the rest from India and North America. The Welsh Government support has helped us develop a lot of new methodologies, which has either secured jobs or created new jobs, particularly on the high-tech, good graduates level.